Now, why all the cameras are off? If my camera goes off, will you like it? Just action, quickly, quick action. No, very good, Abhinav and all. So now, that's why everybody will keep your camera on. Anna, Grace, Lino, what happens? I think there's some problem. Okay, very good. So now we'll begin. Okay, tell me that what did I teach you all in the last class? Tell quickly, who will just raise your hand? Who is going to answer me? Lazel is going to answer.
Nouns.
Nouns, excellent, Lazel. So tell me, Lazel, what are the different types of nouns we have studied in the last class?
Common noun.
Very good.
Abstract noun.
Excellent.
Material noun.
Very good.
Collective noun.
Very good. One more important one. The first one. Important, the first one. Let's think. No problem. Think. Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Okay. So everybody remembered what did we study in our last class? Did you all remember? Yes? Hey, you all are behaving very good. Give a clap for yourself. Okay, very good, children. Okay. So last class, I have taught you what is nouns. Nouns are the naming words. Naming words of names of person, place, animals, things. Yes? So today, then I have taught you what are the forms or kinds of noun. Yes? So there are 5 kinds of noun. Let me share my screen with you. Okay. We'll just revise once again and we'll share. We'll start. Can you see my board? So do you remember I have taught you 5 different kinds of noun? Lazel, tell me yes or no. Very good, Lazel. Okay. So now the first one comes a proper noun. So now we are going to learn the first one, which is proper noun. The first one, which is what? Just a minute. Okay. The first one is proper noun, which is the first one. Everybody will quickly unmute and tell. Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Quickly mute once again. Very good. So, okay. Do you all know what is a proper noun? Who knows what is a proper noun? Tell me. Anna, Grace, Lino, tell me.
Proper noun means the name of the nouns.
No, it cannot be a name of nouns. Then it is a noun, right? Agna, tell.
The name of particular person.
Excellent, Agna. So the name of a particular person. It is not just a name of a particular person. It is the name of a particular person, place, animal, thing, anything which has a particular name. Okay. Oh, listen now. So the names of person. Who is this? Okay, what Ayan Keshaji, what happened? Okay, Naya, no problem. But Ayan, keep your mic little away. We cannot understand. Okay. See, Ayan, today we are going to learn proper noun. Proper noun means names of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. Okay. So everybody in this class has a name. Everyone in the class has a name. Yes? Okay. So everybody write your name with the capital letter. Do you write your name with a small letter? No, right? So in this case, always proper noun starts with a capital letter. This is the first rule. Okay, do not forget this. Always your proper noun will be starting from a which letter? Quickly unmute and tell. Fast. One second.
Capital letter.
Good. Unmute.
Capital letter.
Unmute. Very good. I love this class. This class is very good. They listen to the instruction very nicely. Then I will tell some word. In the class, we have some particular names of person. So Asher Benny, unmute. Can you tell me the names of particular person in your classroom?
Ma'am, Anna Grace.
Wait. Let Asher try. Asher, you can see so many names in the classroom sitting. Call any name. Try. You cannot read the names of what, Asher?
Ma'am, he told Adinath.
Okay, he told Adinath because I couldn't hear him. Okay, Adinath. Okay, Amaya, tell me some more names.
Adiga.
Adiga. Andrea,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me some more names. What?
She said Srivadra.
Anna Grace has a good network, I feel, because Anna Grace can hear everyone speaking. Very good, Anna Grace.
Ma'am, I'm in UAE. I have a great network.
Oh, that's right. Very good. Okay, now Anna Grace will tell me something. Anna Grace, tell me the names of particular person in your house.
My father, mother,
Names of particular person I'm asking.
Abner,
Okay,
Dancy,
very good.
and Lino.
Very good. Now, Anna Rose Baiju. Both Anna. Anna, tell me names of your friends. Particular friend's name.
Janvi.
Very good. But why you have to say, wait. Why you have to say Janvi? You can say Janvi. Fast.
Janvi and Leah. Jessica. Adira.
Wow, you have so many friends. Good. Now, now listen to the question very much. Siddharth, listen, okay? Now, Siddharth, I will ask you. Okay, who all have a pet at home? Pet at home. Siddharth is raising their hand from long. Siddharth, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. I have a pet dog.
You have a pet dog. Can you tell me your pet dog's name?
Bubbly.
Bubbly. Wow, that's a good name. So Siddharth has a pet dog. His name or her name is Bubbly. Okay. Now, so Bubbly over here is a proper noun. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because we gave a particular name to the dog. Do we call the dog, hey dog, come here, hey dog, go there? No. Siddharth is calling Bubbly, come here, Bubbly, go there, Bubbly, eat your lunch. Yes, Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now who else has a pet? Amaya, do you have a pet at home?
Yes.
Tell me the pet's name.
Motu.
Motu, wow. What is a pet but dog or animal?
Dog.
Dog?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now Abhinav. Tell me, Abhinav.
My pet's name is Kuttu.
Kuttu. So it is also a dog?
No,
Then bird. Wow. So Abhinav has a bird also. Who else has some pet animal?
Ma'am.
Okay, Advait, tell.
Goldfish.
Advait,
Ma'am, Advait said he has a goldfish.
Goldfish.
goldfish. Okay, what did you name your goldfish?
No name.
No name. Okay. When I was small like y'all, I had a goldfish. I named it Goldie.
Mama,
Arav. Okay, tell Arav.
ma'am, its name is Puttu.
Okay, Puttu. What? But whose name is Puttu?
No, my dog's name.
Okay, dog. Okay, Lazel also tell me.
Ma'am, I have a better fighting fish.
Okay, fighting fish. So what's the name?
Laser bolt.
Laser ball. Wow, that's great. So now you all have understood even we name animals Also, we give the animals particular names. Now you all understood this? Yes? Okay. Now the third comes. Gaurinanda. Hello, Gaurinanda. Gaurinanda, can you tell me the names of two proper names, particular names of schools? Schools, Gaurinanda.
Ma'am, Mala.
School name. I want a school name, Gaurinanda. Wait, Anna. Let Gaurinanda try. Which school are you studying in?
Dr. Raju Davis.
Dr. Raju Davis International School. So this is a one name. One more school name like this.
Ma'am, Ameya.
Wait. Let Gaurinanda try. Gaurinanda, can you get another name? Just say
Ma'am,
yeah.
Mitra.
Huh?
Mitra.
Gaurinanda, we are asking the school name, not a place name. We are asking the school name. Okay, Ameya, tell me the school name.
Bhavan School.
Bhavan School. Very good. Anay, tell me. Wait, enough. Anay, tell me.
Holy Grace.
Holy Grace Academy. Very good. Now, you all will. 1 minute. Mute now. Mute. Now, Angeline Roy will tell me the names of 2 hospitals.
Yeah, ma'am.
You visit the hospital, right? When you have fever or cough.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the names of 2 hospitals. What happened, Angelina, when?
Ma'am, Rekha.
Okay, Rekha, tell me.
Ma'am, Kim's and Craft.
Okay, very good. Name and craft. So now you all understood even the places have a particular name. Okay, what is this in my hand? Can you see?
Phone.
Mobile. Phone.
Mobile phone. Quickly unmute. So I could quickly mute. Okay. Naila. Can you tell me, Naila, 2 mobile companies phone name which produce or manufacture phones?
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, let Naila try.
Vivo.
Vivo. One more.
Oppo.
Oppo. Very good. Okay. Tell Dia.
Ma'am, Realme and Oppo.
Realme and Oppo. Very good. So now you all have understood that everything which has a particular name is called a, unmute and say,
Is called the proper
noun. Mute. Very good. So now I'll share something with you all. Okay. Can you all see the board?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
As I've told you, proper nouns are the names of person, any place, animal, or thing. But it is a name of a particular person, okay? Not any person, random person. It should be the names of a particular person, okay? So here I have 2 kids. Yes or no?
Yes.
One I have named Sarah and the other one I have named Sahil. Yes or no? Then we have a school. But the school particular name is Dr. Raju Davis International School. Then I have an animal. So what is the name of my animal? Siddharth? Then I have a thing which is chocolate. What is the chocolate name?
Dairy Milk.
Caramel silk. So now just action, okay, action. So it's clear to everybody that nouns which have a particular name is called pronoun. Yes? Very good. Okay. Now we'll be solving one small exercise. Okay. Just a minute. Anne,
Yes, ma'am.
Anne, can you wait? Anne, read the first one.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You cannot see the board. Wait, I'll share the board once again.
Ma'am, you want to write?
No writing now, only listening. Anne, now can you see my board?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the
Peter
first
is
one.
my classmate.
Peter is my classmate. Excellent. So, Anne, in this, which is the proper noun?
Peter.
Peter. Did you see everyone? Did everyone see that the proper noun, the first letter begins with what?
Capital letter.
Capital letter. Yes. Okay. Now, and who will read? Who wants to read the second one? Just tell me your name. Vaiga. One minute. Vaiga. Wait, oh, I cannot see your name. Aiden, who was raising? Aiden, right? Aiden was raising the hand, right?
Ma'am, not Irene.
I know that boy was raising his hand in the school uniform greenhouse. I just missed his name. I couldn't see his name.
Ma'am, Ayan.
No, Adinath. Adinath, you raised your hand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adinath. Now read the second one, Adinath, for us.
Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of India.
Very good. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Okay. In this sentence, tell me which is the proper noun.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Okay. Jawaharlal Nehru. Sorry. Then what else?
First prime minister of India.
I'm asking which is the proper noun. You tell me the proper noun.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Only Jawaharlal Nehru. Can you read the sentence once again?
Prime minister.
Is the Prime Minister starting with a capital letter?
India.
Yeah, because India is the name of a particular country. Yes or no?
Yes.
Prime Minister can change every time. Like now, Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister. Who is the Prime Minister now? Who is the Prime Minister? Alia Rose, do you know who is the Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi is a Prime Minister, current Prime Minister. So Prime Minister can change. So Prime Minister is not a proper noun. Only Jawaharlal Nehru and India. Okay. Now, Agna Jinal.
Ma'am,
Wait, Agna Jinal.
Mittu is my pet parrot.
Mithu is my pet parrot. Very good. So in this sentence, tell me which is your proper noun?
Mittu.
Mithu, right. So Mithu is my pet parrot. Fourth one, who will tell? Adhika, will you tell?
Ma'am, Rekha can say.
1 minute. Let me, because I'm missing some name. Wait, mute. Somebody was asking, Raika, you told, right? You got an opportunity today. So let's give opportunity to different people, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, Hanna, okay, Hanna did not get opportunity today. Hanna, tell the fourth one, Hanna.
Ma'am,
Yes. Hanna Roshan, tell me.
we live in the planet Earth.
We live in the planet Earth. So now tell me which is a proper noun here.
We.
Huh?
And Earth.
Man Earth.
Only Earth. We is a pronoun. Only Earth. Only Earth. Names of person, place, animal, thing. So Earth is a planet. And it starts with the letter Capital letter. Okay.
Yes.
We is a pronoun. We is a pronoun. Is that clear to all?
Yes.
I will be sending this exercise to you all. I will be sending this exercise. You all have to solve it in your English grammar notebook. Okay, just thumbs up.
Excuse me, ma'am, you told us to prepare for the seminar.
I'm going to start with the seminar now. Okay, so 4F, right? 4F.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anna Grace, are you prepared for the seminar?
Yes, ma'am.
Anna Grace, start presenting. Start.
Ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes, very good.
Respected teacher, I'm
Anna, Anna, excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Or Papa is along with you?
Respected teacher and my dear friends, good morning to all. This is Anna Grace from 4F. My seminar topic is parts of a sentence. Contents, sentence, parts of a sentence. In parts of a sentence, there are two parts, subject and predicate. Everybody knows what is a sentence, but I'm going to explain it again. A sentence is a set of words put together to mean something. Example, I am Anna Grace. He is my brother. The flower is pink. Parts of a sentence. Every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject. The noun or pronoun which is used as a doer or about whom we talk about in a sentence is the subject. There are two types of subjects. One word subject. In one word subject, there are only one word as the subject. Mary, he, example, Mary, he, cat, I. And the another one is group of words. In this subject, the examples are this book. In this book, there are two words. This and Abner and friends. In this, there are three words. Abner and friends. My name. In this, there are two words. My and name. A box of mangoes. In this, there are four words. A box of mangoes. Noun. We already learned that.
Anna Grace, 1 minute. Anna Grace,
Yes,
skip
ma'am.
that noun slide. You just skip that noun slide. You're going very well. We don't now go to the predicate slide. Go. Very good.
What is the predicate? What is said about the subject or the remaining part of the sentence is the predicate. Example, Roy is a good boy. In this, the predicate is a good boy. The flower is pink in color. In this, is pink in color is the predicate. I have some ma'am, I think I should go to the nouns now.
No, Anna, no need to teach this noun and pronoun. You just go to the example sheets. You're doing very well, Anna. Very good.
Okay, ma'am. Example, my name is Anna Grace. In this, the subject is my and the predicate is name is Anna Grace. Dan was a hardworking farmer. In this, the subject is Dan and the predicate is was a hardworking farmer. In the third sentence, the picture is very beautiful. In this, the picture is the subject, is very beautiful is the predicate. It was a tiger. In this, it is the subject, was a tiger is the predicate. Ram and Robert are best friends. In this, Ram and Robert are the subjects. Our best friends is the predicate. I hope you understand my presentation. Thank you.
Excellent, Anna Grace. Good one. Good one. I think this was your first seminar, Anna Grace.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Anna, can you stop sharing your screen so that,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Good one, Anna. So Anna, please tell your parent to share the video and slide with me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It was very good. So now everybody has understood how did Anna Grace presented.
Yes,
Did you all
ma'am.
understand? Yes. So now
Thank you.
everyone has to prepare in the same manner. Okay. It was very good example for us to get first one very perfect. Okay. Now the second one is Hannah Rose. Are you ready, Hannah Rose? Where is Hannah Rose?
Ma'am.
Wait, Hannah Roshan. Hannah Roshan.
Yes,
Han-
ma'am.
Okay, Hannah Roshan. Start.
Good morning to all. Good morning to all. My name
Hannah,
is
1 minute, Hannah. Start, Hannah. Hannah, start. Hannah, what happened? Start. Hannah, can you hear me? Just reply at least yes or no. Hannah, you should reply. I think Hannah is not there or what with us.
Teacher, what do you mean by?
Good morning to all. My name is Hannah Roshan.
Hannah, little louder, Hannah. We cannot hear you.
Good morning to all. My name is Hannah Roshan. Today I present the topic, subject and predicate. Let's start. A complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. What do you mean by a subject? The noun or the pronoun which is used as the verb in the subject sentence in the subject. What do you mean by predicate? What is said about the subject is the predicate. Some example for subject and predicate. She sing a beautiful song. Subject, she. Predicate, sing a beautiful song. I see an airplane in the sky. Subject, I. Predicate, see an airplane in the sky. Ropi bought some ice cream from the shop. Subject, Ropi. Predicate, bought some ice cream from the shop. Thank you.
Excellent, Hannah. Very good. A clap for Hannah too. Very good, Hannah. Now stop sharing, Hannah. Okay. See now, and Raika. Where is Raika? So Hannah and Anna Grace, very good. So now Raika and one more person. Listen, Raika, mute. Raika, and I want one more person to perform on subject and predicate. Who will perform? Lazel. Okay. So Lazel and Raika. Let me jot down the names once again. Lazel, and Raika. 4D, 4F, right? Okay, 4F will perform on next class, Tuesday. Okay, same topic, subject and predicate. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Yes,
Also have to perform the
Andrea, I'll give you chance. Andrea, there are many topics. I'll give you chance. Okay, Andrea.
Okay, ma'am.
Every day now we will have seminar. Okay. Now let me take down your attendance. Adinath.
Present, ma'am.
Adinath, why are you absent continuously? One class you are present, the other class you are absent. Arav Krishna. Arav. Asher when he's not there. Asher is there. Abhinav Krishna. Abhinav Krishna. Adhika.
Present, ma'am.
Advait C.
Present, ma'am.
Agna Maria.
Present, ma'am.
Abel Dixon.
Present, ma'am.
Irene.
Present, ma'am.
Amaya.
Present, ma'am.
Sorry, Alvina.
Present, ma'am.
Anay.
Present, ma'am.
Andrea No. Present. Angelina Roy. Anna Rose Baiju. Anna Grace Lino. Anlia Rose.
Present, ma'am.
Ayan K. Shaji. Ayan K. Shaji. Ayan K. Shaji was there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. He was there.
Taros.
Present, ma'am.
Dia Maria was there, is there. Gauri Nanda is there. Hanna Roshan is there. Kartike Nibu. Kartike Nibu.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Kailash.
Yes, present.
I know, Dia. See, most of the time I call out your names. Now I'm learning your names, right? So I remember your names. So I do not want to ask present or absent. I remember and I put the tick. Some names I don't remember. Krishna Kailash. Lazel. See, Lazel I called so many times. So I remember Lazel is present. Muhammad Dayan. Naila present. Devnanda.
Present, ma'am.
Raika present. Sabri. Sabri. Shifana.
Shabri present.
Shabri is present. Okay. Shifana.
Absent, ma'am.
Sharwan. Shravan.
It's not Shifana.
Siddharth.
Ma'am, it's not Shifana.
Present,
It's
ma'am.
Shifna.
It's okay. Shifna is present. Absent any which ways, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Proper noun you can pronounce in a different way also. You can change the spellings of proper noun somewhere here and there. Shri Bhadra.
Present, ma'am.
Yashika. I'm calling out the names of absentees once again. If your names are there, just check. Arav Krishna, Asher, Abhinav Krishna. Then Krishna. Then Ayan.
Ma'am, Abhinav is present.
Abhinav is present. When will Abhinav tell that he is present? Krishna, Ayan, Shifna, and Yashika. Okay? Thank you, everyone.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait. What? Ayan K. Shaji present. Okay, I have marked Ayan K. Shaji present. Because I saw Ayan K. Shaji earlier. I have called his name. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Listen, everyone, 1 minute. Do not miss your classes, okay?
Okay,
Everybody has to be present for the classes now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Have a great day.